kitchen, chef in the oven. Cooking it, Butter's Better Kitchen, chef in the oven.
Thanks for tuning into this episode of Butter's Better Kitchen. Today we're going to be making homemade chicken pot pie. Since my kids will be coming home from school soon, I had a little cheat code, which I will be using already cooked grilled chicken breast strips instead of raw chicken breast and cutting it up and cooking it. A bag of mixed vegetables, 2 cans of cream of chicken, some onions, pepper and pink Himalayan salt. And for the topping, which will be biscuits, I have my baking mix, 2 1/4 cups of the baking mix, and I think I have 3/4 cup of milk. So first thing I'm going to do is put the onions in the pan that I've already preheated. Just going to put it in there. I'm not going to let them cook long. I'm actually going to go ahead and add the mixed vegetables. While the onions and the mixed vegetables are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add the grilled chicken breast strips. The strips are kind of long, just fine. I've kind of defrosted the chicken a little bit, and when I put them in here, I'm going to go ahead and cut them up. I'm trying to use as least amount of dishes as possible. Chicken pot pie is one of my family favorite go-to meals because it's quick and easy to make. It doesn't take a lot of prep time. I can stick it in the oven and go back to doing the work that I was doing until my kids get home. What I'm doing is cutting up the chicken into smaller chunks. Okay, have this stirred up pretty nicely. Now I'm going to add my black pepper and my pink Himalayan salt. Just gonna add a couple of turns of this. And it's depending on your taste or how your family likes the food seasoned. The grilled chicken breast already has a little bit of seasoning, so I don't have to add as much. If I was making it with raw chicken, of course, I would add more seasoning to the chicken before I cooked it. You can see, it's already looking delicious. I have my 2 cans of cream of chicken. I'm going to rinse the top off. These are just easy pull tops. So if you want your kids to do this, all they have to do is lift it up and pull it out, but make sure that you rinse the top off first. The mixture is not quite all the way defrosted, but it's okay. I'm going to add my cream of chicken. Once I've added the cream of chicken, I'm going to stir it up, make it nice and delicious looking, extra creamy. It depends on how thick your family likes your chicken pot pie. You can add 1/2 cup of water if you like, but I am not going to do that this time. Let it actually... The cream of chicken is mixed in nicely, so what I'm going to do is kind of smooth it out and put a lid on it and let it continue to cook for about 5 minutes. And while it's doing that, I will go ahead and get started on my biscuits. Making the mixture is very simple. Like I said, I have 2 1/4 cups of the baking mix and around 3/4 cup of the milk. Just pour it in here. And I'm just going to whisk it a little. Just a gentle whisk all the way around. And we are going to spoon this mixture over. Sometimes the mixture gets really doughy and it sticks inside of the whisk. So just kind of push it up with the spoon. Really nice biscuits. Oh. Biscuits right here while I check on chicken pot pie mix. a little bit more salt and pepper. The mixture is warmed. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my baking dish. This. So good. Smells delicious. Evenly spread it out. And there we go. So I'm gonna take my biscuit dough and really just kind of drop it by the spoonfuls. You can also make this using pie crusts if you like crust on the top and the bottom. It's really good that way as well. Okay, there we go. What's that? 12 spoonfuls of dough across. This is going to go into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 375 degrees. Make sure that the crust is lightly browned. You don't want to burn it. Fresh out of the oven, homemade chicken pot pie. Nice golden biscuit crust and nice and juicy chicken. You see that? Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Thanks for watching Butter's Better Kitchen. For more great recipes, make sure to subscribe below and visit us at buttersbetterkitchen.com.
Butter's better kitchen chef in the oven. Yeah, yeah.